tobacco drops on Christmas Eve. You can say she should've watched for danger, but now she's got tire tracks on her sleeve. Grandma got run over by a John Deere. We told her don't go near that new machine. She was carrying a plate of chocolate chip cookies. Now she's part of the Christmas scene. On a Miss Tobacco drops on Christmas Eve. You can laugh, but this is standard OSHA. Next year she's sticking to the Christmas tree. Grandma got run over by a John Deere. On a Miss Tobacco drops on Christmas Eve. You can say she should've watched for danger, but now she's got tire tracks on her sleeve. Grandma got run over by a John Deere. Now she's famous on the company side feed. So we built her a throne of caution barrels. So we built her a throne of caution barrels and crowned her queen of Christmas and concrete. John Deere on a Miss Tobacco drops like Christmas Eve. You can say she should've watched for danger, but now she's got tire tracks on her sleeve.